Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Roger. By request, I am going to give you a quick rundown of how to use a sauna. Go get the cat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Roger. This is Bruno, who has been yowling at me for the last 4 takes trying to get this video started. Say hi, Bruno. I have to hold the cat or it'll yowl at me. Now, by request, I have had people asking me, how do you use a personal sauna to help you lose weight? And I'm going to break it down for you really quick in this video. This is going to be a quick video. We should be in and out in 5 minutes, guys, so just stay tuned. This here is my Sunbeam personal sauna. Now, Sunbeam makes a really good sauna, and the panels inside here are all infrared. That's important to use infrared panels for your sauna. The reason for that is you don't have to have a little box off to the side like some of these saunas have that you fill up with water. As that, it's way too much hassle, and I'm out. Yes, say we're out. We're out. Alright, now a single plug into the wall is all it takes. It's got a cool zipper that goes from the top to the bottom, and this actually breaks down and folds up. But I'm not going to break it down and fold it up for this video. It comes with its own little folding chair, and everything in here is designed to be covered in sweat without any negative consequences. There's also a nice pad in the bottom. Are you ready to jump down? Are you going to meow at me again? He says he's not going to meow at me again. We're going to find out. Go run. Or jump. Alright, inside you have this chair that folds in and out. It's real easy to get cleaned out and get it in and out. You also have this really cool mat that's a heating mat for your feet. I don't use it. I sit in this thing for hours and that would just burn my feet to no end. But if you're just getting in for a little bit, it's fine. And then underneath it you have this really cool mesh pad that catches all the sweat that drenches off of you, and you can just pull it out and wring it out, or I generally hang mine overnight and let it just dry itself. It's real good. Still smells nice and clean after it's dry. And inside you can see it's just really plastic, and there's some mesh here. I don't want to say plastic, I think that's vinyl. It's vinyl and there's a thick mesh. Now inside, let me go ahead and lay this back out. Put my chair in. Put it in like this and boom, out it goes. Press the corners, set it up. All you have to do is step inside, and you can sit down and you bring it up over your knees, over your shoulders, and just zip it right on up. And it's nice and tight against the neck here so it keeps the moisture locked in. You have, in this model, extra zippers so that you can bring your hands out. And for me, I put a table in front of it so I can play on the computer while I'm sitting in the sauna. Now all of this stuff is operated by a single little pad here. You can set it for a temperature as high as 140 degrees and a duration of up to 60 minutes. Now without turning it off, you can always reset and start it back over at 60 minutes and just keep it going. That's what I do when I run hours and hours. And when you're done, you just step out. Normally have a towel around so that you dry off and you're good to go. It's got a flap if you're wanting to turn it on and get it hot before you step in. You just zip it up, turn it on, and fold this flap over to keep the heat locked nice and tight inside. It's that simple how you use it. Now, what we need to get to is how do we use it to help us lose weight? Because that's what we're here for. We want to lose weight. So for me, and I need to say this point blank, you're not going to lose a lot of weight just by using the sauna. Unless you're in it for hours and hours. And even then it's not a lot of weight. I burn roughly 200 additional calories per hour that I'm in the sauna. That's not a lot of weight. When you take into consideration that it's generally accepted 3,500 calories is a pound, that means that I would need to be in for 17 and a half hours to lose a pound of weight just by the sauna. However, as something to help lose more weight, I sit in the sauna during intense training periods like I am now for about 5 hours a day. That's about 1,000 calories a day additionally burned while I'm sitting on my butt just sweating. That's 7,000 calories a week, or 2 full pounds per week. If you can only sit in it for an hour a day, then that's going to be 1,400 calories for the course of the week, or a little under half a pound. As an additional weight loss, it's nice to lose an extra half a pound. If this is the only thing you're doing to lose weight, you need to check out some of my other videos and really get to pumping some iron, running that cardio, or working on that water fast to really shave off the fat that's on your frame. This is also really great for keeping the pores of your face clean. I like to unzip it just a little while I'm sitting in it and let the steam rise up across my face. It really helps to open the pores and get the sweat just pouring out of you. As far as the skin inside, because I sit in it so much, it makes the skin more elastic. I think it's just because it sweats so much, it keeps the skin nice and clean and kind of taut. So to break it down, and specifically, I haven't done a video on this sauna by itself because it's such a small addition to your weight loss when you're talking about starting from zero and trying to lose everything. But every dollar helps when you're trying to save money, and every ounce you can lose helps when you're trying to lose weight. So as a tool, you definitely need to get you one of these. I'm going to link to this one and a few others, including one that I wish I had the money for, in the description of the video below. For now, that's all I've got to say. Thank you very much for hanging out with us and checking out my video, and I hope that it helped you out, even if it's just a little. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.